Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Mr. Forecast, and in today's video guys, I just want to share a story with you. Okay, so this is going to be a short video, but trust me, it's gonna help a lot of people. Okay, so a lot of people, they've been coming to my inbox and they've been asking me like, Mr. Forecast, can you please tell us how did you overcome fear? Yo. So here's the thing, guys. I would like to tell the truth, guys. No one likes to lose money. But one thing that you have to realize when it comes to trading, we are trading real money, right? And money is something which is very, very emotional. And I don't think like this anyone in this world who really enjoy like losing money. So as for me, I remember when I started trading, and when I started trading, like I didn't have like too much capital. I was struggling with capital at that time, and those were the times whereby I was like, I was someone who had fear of entering trades, just because I was afraid that I was going to lose. Whenever I would enter a trade, before it even touches my TP, I would personally like no close before that trade reach like my TP. And whenever I enter into profit, I would start trailing my stop loss, because I was afraid that I'm gonna lose this trade. And whenever I was in a loss, like I remember like my heart used to raise. But you know what? I had to chill, and I had to find a way on how I can tackle this fear. Okay, so I said to myself, you know what? Instead of me like putting like huge amounts of money that I do not afford to lose into my brokerage account, how about if I do this? Okay. So as for me personally, I started like depositing money that I do afford to lose. Okay, so here's how I did it. Okay, so let's have example. If I had 100 US dollars in my savings, right? I would deposit like money that I can afford to lose. Let's say, for example, if I can afford to lose like 10 US dollars and it doesn't even affect me, I started depositing those amounts, and it really helped me a lot to overcome fear, because I wasn't attached to that money. I was just someone who was just trading so that I can make a profit. Whether if I lose or whether if I win, I didn't care much. And it didn't affect me. Why? Because in my savings I've got 90 US dollars, and in my brokerage account I've got 10 US dollars. Remember when I used to have fear, like I would deposit all my savings like into my brokerage account, because I had a belief that, you know what, this money is gonna like, triple, it's gonna like triple, double, or even multiply 10 times. Okay, this is what I used to think, but I was so wrong at that time. Okay, so when I started like depositing little money like 5 US dollars, 10 US dollars, whenever I had 100 bucks in my pocket, I started to see that my fear of entering trades started to like to decrease. In short, what I'm just trying to say is that if you have got money in your brokerage account that you do not afford to lose, you better remove it and you put the money that you can afford to lose. Because whether you like it or not, that thing is gonna affect you. It's gonna affect your trading. So just put the amount that you can afford to lose. That is why you see that most of the time, like as for me personally, if I'm trading, uh, I'm not. I'm someone who's no longer attached to the money. Why? Because I can afford to lose it. If you see me depositing 50 bucks, 100 bucks, 200 bucks, it means I can afford to lose it. You will never see me like putting all my savings into a brokerage account. Also, last point, if you want to remove your fear when it comes to trading, I just want to say that invest in knowledge, because one day you are going to find out that the more you know, the less you fear. Okay, so as for me, I started like researching a lot about trading. I started like reading lots of books about risk management, a lot of books about technical analysis, and those books, like, they really do help me a lot to remove my fear. So I also encourage you that if you are a trader and if you are really serious about the trading, and if you want to remove fear, because whether we like it or not, as long as a person has got fear, forget about success, forget about success in trading. So learn, okay, educate yourself a lot. Make sure that every day you spend time, like, reading, because the more you know, the less you fear. So guys, that's it for today. Make sure that you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure that you also comment, and thank you guys for watching this video.